Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose, and in today's video I'm going to be styling 5 different wigs. I did them all the same day, so yeah, that was a lot. But yeah, to wash all the hairs I used OJX shampoo and conditioner. So this is what I'm showing you right now. I use the OJX shampoo and conditioner, and this wig right here, I believe it's a 14 or 16-inch kinky straight hair, so I just wanted to straighten it, not too much, just to keep the kink. But yeah, I used the Monique heat protectant and the L'Oreal heat protectant on this hair. So this wig, my auntie wears it almost every day, so I'm just trying to refresh the front. So I'm going to just cut up the lace, like because the hair kind of came off. So I'm going to cut up the lace and kind of fix it and arrange it so she can wear it again. So this is basically what I'm doing right now. After that, she wanted that one straight with the middle part, so I went ahead and did that middle part for her. And then I did some curls in it because she wanted it curly, so I just went ahead and did some curls. So these are the curls. I went ahead and pinned them up because she was not going to wear them right away. So I pinned them up so whenever she was ready to wear them, she could just take the pins down and brush the hair out to have beautiful curls. So this is basically it for this wig. So this next wig is my mom's wig. It is a Brazilian curly 4x5 closure or 5x4 closure, I forget. And it is 14 inches. Yeah, I used the African Pride conditioner in it just to like keep up with the curls a little bit, and then I went ahead and used some Cantu conditioner just to make the curls stay a little longer, because they were gonna, like, if you just use leave-in, it's gonna like loosen and everything because it's a wig. So I did go ahead and put some gel, not a lot, just a little bit, and I went in with the diffuser and I diffused the hair just to like dry it out a little bit, and I fixed the parting. She also wanted a middle part for that one, so I went ahead and I did a middle part. I parted it with my wax stick and my hot comb. So after the middle part, I went ahead and added mousse to the parts of the hair that I had to blow dry to get the lace dry so I can part it. So this is just what I'm doing. I just added a little bit of mousse to curl it up again, and then I just let it air dry. This one is my mom's second wig. It is a headband wig. I think it's a 16-inch kinky curly headband wig. So basically what I'm doing, I'm slightly combing it, not too rough. It may look rough, but I was really not putting too much pressure on it. So then I just wanted to define the curls, so I used the same African Pride leave-in conditioner, and I believe I also use some gel. Yes, I use some Eco Styler gel just to make the curls like nice and crunchy, so they just like stay where they are. It will not make the hair stiff. It will just make the curls like all shiny and stuff, but the hair will not be stiff. So the gel is actually not bad for the hair. So yeah, this is basically what I did. I parted it and just curled it and let it air dry. This wig is my auntie's second wig. It is a body wave hair. I think it's a 13x6. Yeah, it's a 13x6, and I do not know the length of this hair because it was a longer hair and she ended up cutting it to make a bob. So basically she wanted this one straightened with bumps rolling inwards at the end. So this is basically what I'm doing, and she wanted the same middle part. She likes her middle parts, so basically this hair was just straightening and bumping. Alright you guys, now it's my turn to do my hair. So this is my 20-inch kinky straight hair, and I do have hair videos on it. I will put the link up here, but I just basically straightened it and did a regular middle part for it. Alright you guys, this is it. A full day. It was like 3 a.m. and I finally finished the hair, all the hair. And I'm just showing you guys all the different style. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.